Go a little faster for your entry. 70 is like the worst speed you can go to for your
really?
entry.
Okay.
Because you can't add that aft cycle. You don't get any rotor RPM build. There we go. Nice job.
Kilo traffic jog 2097 Golf on left.
Beautiful. Little fast. Little fast. Not too bad though. There we go. Now a little bit nose down. Right before we need to have nose down to get in and go to the flare. Now flare and drop collective. Nice. 406. Now, just ride this to the ground. This is your angle right here. Just keep on pulling as you come down to the ground. Lauren. Yeah.
Let's do it again. Let's go.